All right, here we go. We just left the event. Just got a little bit of gas real quick. Just gonna head out to dinner. The event was great. I liked seeing the Evo. The Evo was awesome, man. Itchy Scratchy coming at you here live. It was beautiful. Just we got to see the SVJ. We got to see the GMG cars, the Evo.
Saw a little bit of everything.
Scratchy's just
I'm itchy.
Itchy.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
yeah.
Damn, my bad.
We're gonna incorporate that pretty soon.
Right. Itchy's got I think he's, what is this?
This is the 580. This is the 580.
Cool, man. All right, you guys, and you know what we're all about, man. We're all about the cars and tickets, man.
Yeah, so
cars
we finally got some car content for you guys.
Yes, absolutely.
Hope you guys like that.
Oh yeah.
We took some pictures with the car. We're gonna scratch the Monopoly Madness this coming weekend. Today is Thursday, March 14th again. We're gonna do it this weekend.
We showed you those two books. We got a $10 book coming and a $20 book.
Right, so that's $1,100.
$1,100. So hang tight.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. So, what else did you think about the event?
So the event, I thought it was executed very well. My highlight was when they started the actual race cars. That was insane.
Yes.
So loud. Things were straight pipe. I mean, it was just ridiculous. And we could
smell gas and fumes.
Oh yeah, it was just crazy smelling, man. But it was a lot of fun, man. We had a few little snacks here. They had some drinks and whatnot, but we were just checking out the cars, man. Just having a really good time,
So we're gonna put this in Corsa down here.
Yes.
Because we're gonna get on the freeway.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to have a little bit of a.
Yeah, I think you gotta get on the right here.
Should I get in the right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be good to go.
Get over right here.
All right. Get a little bit of dinner. I think you gotta go one more to get on.
We're just headed down to a place down in Newport or Huntington Beach. We're not gonna film that because it's getting pretty late. But we just wanted to close up this night. Some in-car video. We haven't really done this for you guys, so hopefully you guys like it. Difference between this, there's still the 3 modes right here.
That's right.
3 modes right here, but look at the dash. This is not the nice Corsa dash that we saw earlier, right?
Yeah, this is just the 580, the regular Huracan dash. Still pretty cool, but it's just
still pretty cool. Paddle shifters.
Not the Corsa craziness that I showed you guys earlier. When I was driving, when I was in the Performante. Totally two totally different cars.
Cars.
The interior aspect though, there's a few features that look kind of similar, forged. Like the buttons.
Forged car. This is not forged.
Right.
Exactly. You have.
Yep. Yeah, and the Performante, this is all forged.
How's the sound compare? This is I don't have an exhaust on this.
So this is actually much quieter. So you guys have heard the Performante earlier, and this is the 580. You could probably tell the difference, but we'll see.
We're gonna give a little hit right here, so let's see how it sounds.
We'll jump on the freeway and spicing things up a bit. Oh, so you could go in that lane, perfect. Okay.
Yes. Oh, wrong one.
Oh, there you go. You got the.
I hit the wrong button.
Turn it off there.
Yep. We thought it started raining. We're so used to the rain. All right. Sorry if it's a little shaky.
Yeah, we're good to go.
All right, hold on.
We got a few little cars coming on.
Got some work zones right here, and I'm gonna put this down in second gear right here.
All right. Cool. Man, I am hungry.
Are you?
About to go get some food, so here we go.
That was pretty cool. Oh, we lost some traction right there.
Not bad.
All right. Yeah, we were already past. We were pretty fast right there. So
got a little freaking sideways, huh? I was like, whoa.
This car is really fun, guys. This is a real drive.
Oh yeah, be able to do some crazy drifting.
Yeah.
Wow. You saw the camera action. That was real.
Yeah.
We were a little bit sideways, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, we're just cruising along the speed limit.
All right.
A lot of fun. These cars, although they go speed limit, it seems like you're going so fast, and it sounds awesome.
So I'm gonna drop this down to third, right here at the tunnel, and we're gonna hit a little bit.
Yes.
I like that kick. This is a dual clutch.
Yeah.
So it's getting pretty loud in here.
I like that.
This is really fun. So hopefully you guys, if you guys ever get a chance to drive one of these,
oh yeah,
we definitely recommend doing that. We'll get some in-car video, some other stuff. So I'm gonna
It's
bring
good
it
being the
down.
passenger, man. This is cool.
Yeah,
It's
it's a
fun.
little different when we're so used to driving. This is Southern California. Everyone drives their own cars here.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
why we got so much traffic.
Exactly.
That's why we got so much traffic.
Wow. What a great night.
Yeah, it was a great night. Hopefully you guys like all our videos. It's gonna take a little bit to get those up.
Yeah. And again, guys, we got the lottery, the 20 and the 10. $20 and the $10 book coming up.
Right.
We'll hit you guys with those, and hope we have better luck, you know?
Get a little turn right here, and then
Yeah.
how long is the video going?
Yes.
Don't want to go too fast because we want to get too shaky of a video.
Oh, we're good, man. I got video stabilization.
All right, all right. You can hear this
It's
go.
sideways, huh?
Yes, yes. This is a rear-wheel drive, so
Wow.
the purpose of four-wheel drive. This is the 580 again.
Nice.
All right.
Love it. I love it.
These Huracans are really fun. They're very different than the Aventadors, than the Gallardos.
Absolutely, man. This is it's just this overall super fun car. You can get
Right.
sideways if you'd like, but we're gonna keep things cool.
And it says Corsa right here. This doesn't have the dash change again, but it's still really, really fun with a digital dash.
Oh yeah. I love it, man. Dang, this restaurant's kind of far.
Yeah, we're already exiting right here.
We're driving. All right.
My favorite car of the night was obviously I said it earlier, Aventador SV.
Yes. Hands
We saw the
down,
SVJ,
man.
the newest one, again at Quail in Monterey.
Yeah.
It was green in color. You guys will probably see those videos from other YouTubers.
Yes. It was a great car, you know, but
It's not for me. It looks like a little too much accents on it.
yeah.
We like
Yeah, it had a lot going on,
and a lot going on.
Well, we'll see though. You know, maybe
Yeah.
one day we'll be able to drive that sucker and give you guys a review
Yeah,
on the
they
SVJ,
had
so.
yeah.
I heard those are coming up soon as well.
SVs, some nice Gallardos
So.
tonight. And a nice event. They had the bull riding. We saw that, the slot machines.
Yes.
I actually missed the exit.
That
So
bull
we're gonna
riding was
hit-
freaking
Here comes
amazing.
this last hit we're gonna hit right here. Go ahead.
Yep. Good to
So I missed my exit. We're too busy trying to vlog. So here's our last run right here. We're gonna hit this little bit.
Oh, man. Oh, that's a nice turn.
Yeah, that's a good turn right there. There's a Prius right here. There we go. All right.
Oh, yeah. We're going to get to the restaurant on time, bro.
All right. Thanks, everyone, for joining. We'll
Yes.
close the windows before we go a little out of control right here.
That was a nice way to enter the freeway,
Yeah.
I tell you that much. I was like, dude.
We hope you guys enjoyed our car. We'll get some more car content. We've been rained out for 2 months, so we're getting all our car stuff out in one night, hopefully.
That's right. Hopefully we got that editing. Hopefully we got the on-ramp. I don't know if it was like recording just the dash, but yeah, I had to hold on to something.
Yeah.
I was getting a little bit sideways in here.
All right, have a good night. We'll be
That's
back
awesome,
with our
man.
Supercar Lottery of Scratchers.
Yes, thanks for joining us, you guys.
Some slot machines are coming up.
Oh yes.
A little bit of
Hopefully we
everything.
can hit some good stuff, man.
Yeah,
The slot
yeah.
machine so far was one of the bigger downers, but you know we'll have some upside to it, especially coming soon
Right.
with the Monopoly and all that good stuff. The 10 and the 20.
Hopefully this event turns us back into winners.
Yes.
Right?
Oh yeah.
We've been posting
Oh, yeah.
losing videos. Thanks for watching those.
All right, guys.
All
We'll
right.
see you soon.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Good night.
Hey everyone, Itchy here. If you missed us doing our Monopoly Scratchers, join us next time when we do the latest book of 50 $10 tickets called Precious Jewels, and wish us luck.